owns Monsanto stock? You do. The time is now for Fidelity, Vanguard, and State Street, who each own billions of dollars in Monsanto stock, to dump it. Each of these mutual funds has trillions of dollars in investments. After a lengthy financial audit of Monsanto, the truth is, the people that control Monsanto are you. If you invest in mutual funds, you're probably profiting from Monsanto stock. But now you know. That is why you must demand that Fidelity, Vanguard, and State Street sell the $9.6 billion in Monsanto stock owned by their mutual funds. The total value of Monsanto stock is $60 billion, which means these three mutual funds own 15% of Monsanto. The CEO owns 0.066% of Monsanto. Monsanto has 525 million shares. Combined, Fidelity, Vanguard, and State Street own 82 million shares. Only 2.5 million shares of Monsanto stock trade each day. If we triple the number of shares trading in a day, the Monsanto stock panic will begin. If you don't own any mutual funds, call Fidelity, Vanguard, and State Street and inform them you will never buy any of their funds. In the history of corporate America, Monsanto is the creator of the most toxic and environmentally destructive chemicals. Now they're producing our food. This is why your mutual fund must sell Monsanto stock. They created Agent Orange, PCBs, dioxin, and countless other products that have killed thousands and injured millions. They sue family farmers over patent infringement from cross-contamination resulting from genetic drift. They aggressively silence scientists critical of their toxic chemicals and GMOs. Led by Monsanto, the chemical and junk food company spent $70 million to fight GMO labeling ballot initiatives in California and Washington. Monsanto has monopolized the seed industry by buying dozens of seed companies, both GMO, conventional, and organic, to own the global food supply. The failed technology of Monsanto GMO cotton led hundreds of thousands of Indian farmers into debt and suicide. Monsanto threatens family farms and drives them off the land. Monsanto's failed GMO crop technology has increased the use of chemical herbicides. We're telling investors, stop profiting from poisoning the world. Divest from Monsanto's GMOs, toxic chemicals, and reckless business model. Fidelity, Vanguard, and State Street have $6 trillion in assets. Sell these funds immediately. Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, Vanguard Prime Cap Fund, Fidelity Growth Company Fund. The more mutual fund accounts that are closed, the more shares of Monsanto each mutual fund has to sell. Sign the Food Democracy Now! Petition to Fidelity, Vanguard, and State Street. Thanks to the global community, GMOs are labeled in 64 countries and banned in 26 countries. We must unite to stop the chemical abuse of our farmers, our food supply, and our planet. Be the change for an organic, chemical-free future. Invest your money in socially responsible investment funds or organic projects. We need your help to stop Monsanto's toxic products. Now is the time for action. March on Fidelity, Vanguard, and State Street, May 9th, 3 p.m. at every office and branch. Go to the Food Democracy Now! Facebook page and share the event invite. Do you want to be the last one owning Monsanto stock?
It makes me feel